So if you're working on the cabinet or any plumbing, these are perfect lights to work with the stuff. And then your hands are tools themselves because they actually act like the flashlight. All right, today we're gonna bring a hands-free flashlight. Now this one has two different modes. Here's the power button, one mode, two, and it turns off after. It's adjustable at the wristband with Velcro. And then you could also adjust the fingertips too also. So this is another one that you can do to adjustable. Now to charge it, plug it in to charge it. All you gotta do is get the magnet, the 2-prong connection, it automatically connects and starts charging. Outdoor graded, water resistant, and they do have cases so you can put them away. You got either hand, left or right. All right, we're gonna put these to test because we have a car issue and the problem. And also, you could, if you're working in a dark environment, these are perfect. Either under the sink, in a shop, or in your car. Any problems with your car, and because it's very dark, and of course we don't have lights in our vehicle, you can always work under your vehicle. I'm gonna open the hood. All right, the actual gloves are perfect for any kind of mechanics out there, any joggers. If you're jogging at night, they're gonna last you from 8 hours to 6 hours. These are perfect if you're walking your dog, if you're working on your vehicle, and it's very dark. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe